In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate DeepSeek with GoHighLevel. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just getting started, this guide will walk you through the process with ease. We'll be leveraging Make.com to set up this integration, which will help automate and streamline your workflows seamlessly. First, let's get started by creating a Make.com scenario. Open up your Make.com account and look for the option that says Create a New Scenario. This is your canvas for designing automated workflows, and this interface will help you map out the integration visually, connecting the dots between GoHighLevel and DeepSeek. Get familiar with the layout. The settings and buttons you'll see will be instrumental as we proceed. Once you've set up your new scenario, your next task is to add your first module, which involves incorporating a GoHighLevel trigger. Within Make, use the GoHighLevel module to choose the trigger that best suits your needs. There are several recommended triggers you might consider, such as Watch Events, Watch Contact Updated, New Conversation Message, New Lead, and Pipeline Stage Changed. The idea here is to select an event within GoHighLevel that you want to monitor or respond to automatically. The Make GoHighLevel app can tap into various components like contacts, conversations, opportunities, campaigns, tasks, and webhooks, thus offering you quite a bit of flexibility based on your specific needs. To connect GoHighLevel to Make, you're going to need a client ID and a client secret. These credentials act as a secure handshake between the two platforms, allowing information to pass seamlessly. You can obtain these by heading over to the GoHighLevel marketplace. Here you will need to create a private app and ensure that you've enabled API access. Once that's set up, take note of the credentials provided. They're essential for continuing. Be sure to keep them secure and handy for the next steps. With GoHighLevel connected, let's shift our focus to integrating DeepSeek by adding a third module. Click on plus add another module within your scenario setup. You'll need to search for DeepSeek AI. Once you've located it, select Create a Chat Completion. This is the native DeepSeek module in Make, designed to handle a wide range of AI applications efficiently. Think of it as the AI brain behind your automated processes, ready to execute complex tasks with minimal input. The final integration step involves connecting the DeepSeek API. To do this, you'll first need to secure your API key from the DeepSeek API platform. Once you have this key, return to Make and paste it into the designated area. Remember to save your connection to ensure everything is properly linked. One thing to note about DeepSeek is that it utilizes an OpenAI-compatible API structure, which means it supports a broad array of AI-based applications with ease. Through these steps, you've now successfully linked DeepSeek with GoHighLevel using Make.com. With these automated scenarios in place, you'll be able to enhance your operational efficiency significantly. Remember, automation doesn't just save time. It can significantly amplify the capabilities of your workflows, allowing you to focus on what matters most, growing your business. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful in setting up your integration.